Hello, tech enthusiasts! Join us in exploring the modern innovations and transformative impact of technology. The machine is easy to use and is controlled directly from the cabin. The operator can select planting beds for each plant. The machine is equipped with a standard clutch, which protects the machine from obstacles, such as rocks, and allows the machine to be restarted without leaving the tractor. And by a Rexraw Flex shaft piston pump, combined with an industry-leading direct drive that eliminates with for steering wheels. It allows the machine to turn almost on the spot, helping it overcome obstacles effectively. GPS Automatic Classify Nation System helps increase accuracy in agricultural drainage. Pipe installation work. With a 47-inch side swing handle, the operator can move along paths and prune branches effectively within reach of the lever inside. The adjustable cutting height allows for customizing to meet specific requirements, while the roller component helps level the ground and create a smooth surface. Thanks to suitable engine power and the ability to promote mechanical power, MT700 allowed faster, more efficient operation with lower cost per hectare. Independently controlled double acting. Lifting arms allow the mill to be leveled during work. This is one of the many ways in which humans are trying to deal with the growing threat of water pollution. Once collected, the machine will discharge grass and trash onto the shore. Terramax RT14R with its advanced technology is specifically designed to operate flexibly on difficult terrain, thanks to its 360-degree rotation ability. The 2-speed hydraulic transmission gives it an edge over its competitors and ensures maximum safety for the driver. The R9800 has a large crane with a mobile bucket of 47.5 meters cubed, operating quite efficiently, filling many trucks immediately. The Beaver R9800 mining excavator can operate in different conditions, from open mining to underground mining. Transport vehicles can be equipped with other types of equipment such as wood chippers, cultivators, stump cutters, or plow blades. Volvo A45G is truly a unique, heavy-duty vehicle with the ability to transport heavy loads on harsh terrain. The cockpit can move up and down. 2 hydraulic racks can rotate 300 degrees, creating versatile and multifunctional mobility. Smart Controller is a special feature. Non-permanent control settings can be adjusted easily. The system allows for the transport of wood up to 40 feet in length, helping to optimize the wood transport process. The plow blade can be inserted deeply into the soil, helping to create planting beds of the exact size the user wants. 6D. T200 is also capable of cleaning grass in muddy fields with lots of water. This function of the plow helps farmers save both energy and time. The combination with trailer equipment is ideal for transporting heavy and long propellers. TLL shows flexible adjustability, allows it to adapt to diverse and complex transport requirements. The effective lifespan of this control measure is typically 6 months. Longer into this process reduces transportation and smelting costs, thereby increasing efficiency and reducing costs. Ferretta has a stable and powerful hydraulic drive system and can operate in fully automatic mode. One of the largest and most powerful bulldozers from Canada. With a weight of 112,000 kilos, the D11 is capable of pushing and loading excavators, as well as breaking rock and soil in mine. The D11's U-blade is nearly 21 feet wide and 7 feet tall, providing a blade capacity to 45 cubic yards. The D11 in the engine has a capacity of 770 horsepower, a displacement of 2,105 cubic inches. This improvement helps the D11 and perform more than 10% higher than the D10, with the most powerful engine in, along with the portability and versatility required from a 300-pound machine. D delivers the productivity that you expect, with the reliability that you demand. With a load capacity of 580 tons in sweltering heat, this vehicle allows for safe transportation. Goldhofer's products are designed to meet the infrastructure requirements of different markets. Ensuring complete flexibility, even during irregular transport operations. As you saw in the video,